Okay student, today start new chapter class 10th polynomials chapter number 2 for class 10th. This is very important topic. Same topic study in class 9th also. So first of all discuss कि what is the polynomial. So first of all define polynomials. Polynomial means students poly plus nomial. Poly plus nomial means many term of algebraic expression. Many terms of algebraic expression. तो many term of algebraic expression means poly means many, nomial means term. तो many term of algebraic expression is also defined the polynomials. Polynomial is also denoted by px. Polynomials is denoted by px. Px is equal to suppose a to the power n x 0, a n minus 1 x to the power 1, okay, plus a n minus 2 x to the power 2, a n minus 3 x to the power 3 plus dot dot a n minus n x to the power n. So this is define the polynomials form student. Px is equal to a n x to the power 0, a n minus 1 x to the power n dot dot, where a n is not equal to 0. Very important. A n not equal to 0 and the value of a n minus 1 dot dot a n minus n is real number oblique constant. The value of a n minus 1 is also defined the constant. So in class 10th, first of all define the polynomial px is equal to algebraic expression. We had also defined the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means constant into variable to the power non-negative integer. Okay student, तो देखो यहाँ पे a algebraic expression is equal to constant into variable to the power non-negative integer means any variable is also defined the power of value is non-negative is also positive real numbers. तो जो भी numbers हम define करेंगे वो positive होंगे. Next define type of polynomials. हम बात करेंगे टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स में जो फर्स्ट होगा बेटा टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज आल्सो स्टडी इन क्लास 9. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स मींस वी आर डिफाइन ए पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Is also called linear polynomial. According to the polynomial is denoted by px is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b is also defined the form of linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means a not is equal to 0. So important. अगर यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी तो 0 into x 0 plus b, तो b is also defined the constant polynomial. It's a not is equal to 0. a की वैल्यू कभी भी 0 नहीं होगी तो a not is equal to 0. तो px is equal to ax plus b and degree of x is equal to 1. देखो degree of x is equal to 1. Number of variables is equal to 1. Important student, If degree is 1, the variable is also defined, the degree is 1, number of variable is 1, then number of zeros of x is also 1. मीन्स इसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कितने आएंगे? 1 आएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल px is equal to ax plus b, तो सपोज px is equal to 0 बेटा. if px is equal to 0, सपोज किए हैं, let px is equal to 0, तो ax plus b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. The number of solution x is equal to minus b by a. So x is equal to minus b by a is defined the only one solution of the variable x. Then after representing graphically, अगर लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल को ग्राफ पे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज आल्सो इंटरसेक्ट ओनली वन एक्सिस एट वन पॉइंट. ध्यान से सुनना, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज आल्सो इंटरसेक्ट ओनली वन एक्सिस एट वन पॉइंट. तो फॉर एग्जांपल x इज इक्वल टू माइनस b बाई a, तो माइनस b बाई a सपोज करो दिस लाइन, तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस b बाई a इंटरसेक्ट एट x एक्सिस at the point minus b by a dot 0. So this is defined the all linear polynomial. But in class 10th, starting the first exercise is also quadratic polynomial. So okay student, first of all written, then after discuss quadratic polynomial. Okay, start the next topic, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials. Discuss quadratic polynomial. Number 2 is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial मतलब a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. If the variable is defined 2 degree, if the degree of the variable is defined 2, is also known as quadratic polynomial. The general equation of quadratic polynomial px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The general equation of the quadratic polynomial, student, ax square plus bx plus c, where a not is equal to 0. So important, a not is equal to 0. a की वैल्यू कभी भी 0 नहीं होगी. If a is equal to 0, then x square is also 0. So given the polynomial bx plus c and bx plus c is also defined linear polynomial. So then a not is equal to 0 and a, b, c are real number. कैसे नंबर्स होते हैं? रियल नंबर या कांस्टेंट. तो a, b, c is also defined the real numbers. Next, degree of x is also defined 2. If the degree of x is also defined the 2, so then number of zeros, the number of zeros is also defined 2. First x is equal to alpha, then x is equal to beta. Note student, if quadratic polynomial is defined ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers, the degree of the variable is maximum 2. If the degree is 2, is also defined the quadratic form. So if the quadratic form, so then number of zeros, mean numbers of zeros is also defined the 2 zeros. 2 zeros is x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. X is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta is also defined the relation between zeros and coefficient. Means relation between zeros and coefficient. Zeros means alpha and beta, coefficient means a, b, c. So the first relation, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. The first zeros, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Number 2, product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So there are two relation between zeros and coefficient. So zeros and coefficient is also defined the relation between two. So first do the question related to this topic. So this question is, suppose px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. To find the zeros and verify relation between zeros and coefficient. The first question is, if px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, if px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, find the zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. So solve this question, students. So px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Suppose let px is equal to 0. So px is equal to 0, तो x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. तो 6 बन जाओ 6. The factor the value of 6. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 and 2 5. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Common x common लेंगे तो x minus 3 minus 2 common लेंगे x minus plus minus 2 3 जा 6 is equal to 0. Next x minus 3 one bracket, another bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. The final value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. So there are two zeros, first alpha, second beta. Alpha and beta are given and compare and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. So next side, px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 given. So compare px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is equal to beta 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6. The given the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6. Okay students. Next, verify relation between zeros and coefficient. Okay, verify. First, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. The value of alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to the value of b minus 5 minus minus plus 5 upon 5 is equal to 5. First relation verified. Number 2, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. The value of alpha is equal to 3 into 2. The value of c is equal to 6 upon 1. So 6 is equal to 6. Both value are verified. So this is very important. Again explain, quadratic polynomials means the maximum degree of the variable is 2 is also defined the quadratic form. The general equation of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where a not is equal to 0. If the degree is 2, then number of zeros is also defined the 2, x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta. What is the relation between alpha, beta and ABC? The relation between zeros and coefficient, first alpha plus beta is equal to minus p by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So this is related to the topic exercise. All the questions related to exercise 2.1. So all of you do the exercise 2.1 and retain these topics.